All right, everybody, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're in Tamarindo. Tamarindo, guys, very popular tourist destination here in Guanacaste province. Really cool beach, really busy beach, despite it being low season right now. We're gonna do a walking, talking tour here in Tamarindo. Just posted up on one of these tide pools, really cool. There's a bunch of like fish darting around and stuff. Let's see if we can see anything. Let's see what we can see here, guys. If this is your first time joining, hit like, smash subscribe, and tickle my bell so you get notified when we upload new videos here in Costa Rica. Oh, look, there's a crab. I found a crab. Oh, damn. That's quick. That's quick. That's a cool looking crab. He had like blue claws. I couldn't tell if we could see it because I was looking for him. I was looking for that crab. Where the crabs at? I don't have crabs. I just want to see one though. Guys, so we're not going to go down this way. There's some cool stuff down that way. There's Playa Grande down there. We might go do a video down there. This is where we're going to start the tour, right up at the Tamarindo sign at the end of town. And then we're going to go walking this way. Now, before we do that, let's talk about how to get here to Tamarindo and do some drone video.
So to start your vacation in Tamarindo, you'll probably land at the Liberia International Airport, where you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or your FJ Cruiser, which always happens to be blue for some reason. Head out towards the coast. This is going to be the route we're walking today along the main strip, which runs the beach. The whole drive will take you about an hour and a half. Now let's get into some of the drone shots, starting with the beach. Here is the estuary of Tamarindo. This is where we're flying the drone from, down at this end of the beach. Looking back towards the mountains, that's where Villarreal is, small town just outside of Tamarindo. You can probably find better prices on rentals in that town because there's a bit of a drive, 5-10 minutes to get into Tamarindo itself. So this shot is facing north from Tamarindo, basically at the estuary there. That's Playa Grande. So Playa Grande has some bigger waves, more advanced surfing, not so built up, a lot more remote. You'll find less people down at Playa Grande. So here we are running along the beach at the north end of the beach. You can see there's various accommodations options, both at the beach and up in the mountains there. Then let's start getting into the downtown area, everybody. This is the route that we're going to be walking along, this road that runs parallel to the beach. That's where the bulk of the restaurants and shops are that you'll find in Tamarindo. And here is the main intersection that heads up towards Playa Grande, which is right over in that direction to the south there. And actually down that coast is where the JW Marriott Resort is as well. So now here again, guys, is the beach. You can see it's a pretty wide beach, especially at low tide. A lot of walking area, a lot of sitting area. It's nice for swimming. That's why Tamarindo is so popular. Beach is pretty shallow as it runs out, so you can do some beginning surfing lessons as well as swimming, especially in the middle. A lot more people swim down towards where the drone is flying right now. And if you guys like these videos and want to support the channel, you can totally buy me a coffee, which I will absolutely drink. Thank you, big thank you to JP for buying a coffee. I'll put a link on screen, and there's a link in the description below. Thanks to everybody for supporting the channel, watching, commenting, and sharing these videos.
All right, excellent. So there's the big Tamarindo sign. Let's zoom in on that and get a good look at that. There you go. That's evidently where you need to go and take a photo. That's where the video started. This very YouTube video just started out in the water right there. So that's what it looks like. This is the south end of town. The south end. And this road kind of runs right along the beach. So we're just going to kick it, guys. We're just going to kick it. I just walked along here. And you know, what is it right now? It's like May. It's May, so it's not very busy. It's not very busy. You might be able to find better prices for accommodations in May here in Tamarindo. Let's kick it. Lots of souvenir shops here I just went by. There's some restaurants too, some hotels. We're going to go by the Liberia Hotel. That's kind of like the big one that I'm aware of.
Sí, con un punta nada arriba.
What's some of this stuff? Oh, you can get like little surf shirts here. Look at this. This building's closed, but for some reason that window looks really good. That was a really good looking window. That's what my mom would say. What's going on? We got golf carts going on around here. So golf carts are a popular play. I love this thing. This Suzuki Jimny. Man, Suzuki Jimnys are just the coolest truck. That's kind of what I want to get. A Jimny. They don't even sell them in Canada. It's an abomination. So yeah, if you come here, and I've seen a lot of people ripping around on ATVs. That's pretty cool. I think golf carts are pretty convenient too, because you get that cover in case it starts raining on you. Right? I've had stuff here before. I think maybe coffee. And guys, I can assure you that any of the buy me a coffees, that budget is expended post haste. Post haste. Expend that budget. I was through that budget before I was even conscious today. I stopped at a little cafe right outside of Tamarindo on the way in. I got a coffee, and it had signs for like free refills of black coffee. And I was like, oh my God. What's going on here around here? Massages. Massages. Cell store. Oh, a smoke shop up there. That's interesting. It says open. That's the Smoke Valley. That's like a chain that's all throughout Costa Rica. Now going down this way, guys, let's punch out on the road here. Maybe not too much because the policia right there. I don't want to get a ticket for jaywalking. So there's a bunch of accommodations options down there. And if you go down there like 1-2 blocks and turn right, that's how you get to Playa Langosta. Playa Langosta has a bunch of like high-end accommodations. I know because one time I went down there and I was like, oh, look, there's hotels here. And they were way out of my budget. Way out of my budget. Which is between cheap, dingy accommodations and sleeping in my car. That's kind of where my budget lies. Look at this. This is nice stuff, right? If you're into nice stuff, man, you should get like a dress. Actually, no, I'm good out the way I am. I'm a minimalist. I got minimal clothing on right now. If anything, I would put a muumuu on. You guys got happy hour. Look at all these souvenir shops. Actually, look over here, guys. Look over here. Let's cross the road. Let's cross the road. Because there's something cool. Oh my God, there's a squirrel. Dude. It's his friend too. I'm not gonna intervene here. Oh, he's coming over here. Where'd he go? What? What? Is it a magic squirrel? Oh man, that sucks. The squirrel's a magician. Oh, these guys have all the sunscreen. That's good for me. Because I'm a tad wee little bit blanco. I literally just heard an ice cream man coming. Can you hear him? He's coming up behind. So here's the Liberia Convention Center. And I think all of this property over here is associated with the Liberia Casino. Oh, yes. Booze infused, dude. You see that sign? Booze infused. That's funny. I don't drink, but that's cool if you do. So keep an eye out for that guy. I don't know what he's going pretty fast to be flagged down. Maybe you just got to jump out in front of him and take a dent. So is all this stuff Didia? I think so, because the Didia hotel is like right there. And yeah, so that's Tamarindo Didia right there. Cool. Oh, sushi. Nice. Sushi might be out of my budget too. Which is between canned cat food and whole cooked chickens that I would eat with my hands in my car. And I don't think I smell like chicken after I do that, but I haven't really asked anybody. Let's go across the road to the Diria. Oh, that's so nice. Guys, it's so funny. I got a comment on a video. Somebody was like, just razzing the videos. Just not impressed with the commentary. And they actually asked if I'm allowed to be traveling by myself, which initially I was like, excuse me, but then I thought about it. I'm like, that's actually a fair question. That's actually fair. I should have somebody holding my hand. Look at this here. Look at this, the view in through the Diriyah. There you go. Very nice. With a statue is what they're called. They're called statues, those things. Guys, we're going to go up to the water and do a live water test. I mean, that is a good looking, that is a really good looking golf cart right there. I thought I was a good looking guy. That's a good looking golf cart. I'd be taking some photos of that too. What's over here? Oh, we see some rental car places. Massage. Oh, and a barber. I need one of those. I started growing my hair, guys, which is kind of a silly thing to do in Costa Rica, but I got to keep the peanut gallery guessing. I got to change my identity every few months for reasons I won't elaborate on. Got Interpol out for me or something. Not yet, not yet. So buses, municipal buses coming right down here. Man, I was just in San Jose, a lot of people backpacking, taking the bus around. That's fun. Now up ahead here, this is where we're gonna go into the beach. I was just up here. This is kind of the end where I was flying the drone from too. Some of those drone videos, getting them in from here. Now this road, you come to Tamarindo, this is like the primary road in. Back where I showed you where you can turn up and go towards Langosta, there's another road out there, but the last time I went there, it was not paved and kind of chalked up. But that being said, if you're here during high season, this road can get absolutely packed with people. So it might be worth the chonk on the suspension to get out there. Oh, here's a surf shop. Here's a surf shop. What's a surf shop? Banana surf shop. Good looking guys in there, man. Good looking guys. Surfer guys are good looking guys. And hey, you know what? I can say that, man. I can say that. They're handsome, right? Because it takes one to know one. What's over there? Aqua Discotheque. Oh, a discotheque. That's where all the pretty boys go dance. So if you're a lady watching this, go to the discotheque. Find a pretty boy and do salsa. Here's the entrance to the beach that we're going to take, as you can see from us taking it. Now, uh-oh. Guys, it's crazy. So massage is down on the beach. I was just talking to these ladies before I came here. We're just talking. I'm not gonna drop a dime on them, right? But the police are going by, you know, giving the gears to people that are doing stuff on the beach. Well, I don't do that, man. I don't rat. You know what I mean? Now, guys, before we go in the water shoes. Oh my God, they're so good. I've been wearing these the whole time. I love these things. I'm gonna put a link on screen and a link in the description below. Everybody's looking at for the police. Me too, actually. But they don't know. I shaved my beard and I'm growing my hair, so they're not gonna be looking for me right now. They're looking for that other guy that does YouTube videos. Okay, let's go see some surfing. Where's the best surfing people? Let's go see some surfing. We're going to do a live water test too, guys. I'm going to tell you how cold or warm the temperature as it is of the water. So the beach is pretty clear. It's kind of rocky up where the shore breaks, but it's not like super rocky. Okay, just hit the water. Cold. Cold. Yeah, not cold. Okay, not cold. Frosty. Refreshing. That's how I describe it. Where can we go, man? I want to see some people surfing. It's so hard too, like when I have the drone out and I'm trying to capture people surfing and you have a limited battery with the drone and you kind of got to loiter there and figure out who's good enough to like actually ride. Look at this girl. Oh, she's like walking on it. She's doing surf dancing or something. Whoa, dude. How do you do that? If you see this video, lady, can you please advise me on how to do that? That was cool. That was super cool. Oh, there's more people down here, man. I gotta go down here. Dang it. Oh, this person's gonna go. Okay, we got a contestant. Oh, she's doing good. She's doing good. Wow. Incredible posture. Just incredible posture. Perfect. Wow. Statuesque. I would have fallen within 3.3 seconds doing that. Look at all these people coming out. Man, what is going on here? It's busy down here, man. Everybody's surfing. That's awesome. It is super good exercise, I anticipate, right? Swimming, surfing, standing. It's like a full body exercise. And the good thing too is that like out on the water, you can't eat. I'd probably put some Oreos down my pants though, just to munch on while I was out in the water. That's what I used to do, not in the water, in the desert. I'd always have like 3 packs of Oreos on me, no matter what. But being out on the water, you know what I mean? It would force you to like not be eating. Come on, somebody hit me with some weight. Somebody hit me with some talent here. There's a guy way out there. What's he gonna do? Oh, there's another guy out there. They're just waiting for the big. I don't know how to do. I'm not like, I haven't watched Point Break in a long time. Don't know all the nomenclature. Waiting for a big rip, rip. Just going a little bit deeper here. So as well, Playa Grande down there, guys. Playa Grande down there. I think better surfing down there. Oh, look, people are actually surfing down there. They're doing pretty good too. Oh, look at this guy. That looks like a kid who clearly has more balance and dexterity than I do. I'm embarrassed. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here in Tamarindo. And drone flight. Guys, we're going to go up to Langosta, maybe do a video up there too. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for other videos. Want to try to travel around here and guanacaste for a bit. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Tickle the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video of my travels in Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.